What's going on, guys? It's your boy B Presents. I'm back with a new video for all of you guys. Today I'm changing it up on my channel a little bit. Today we just got back from Scottsdale Corner, and today we're going to be unboxing some new Apple products. We got an iPad Pro, a Magic Keyboard, and a MacBook Pro. These things are flippin' insane. I am so excited. Today we're going to be unboxing all of these new products. This is going to be a little bit of a change on my channel because I know normally I post like Jeeps, quads, off-roading videos on my channel. So this is going to be a little bit of a change because I don't normally post stuff like this. But it might make my channel take a turn for the better, and it's worth a shot. So today we're going to be unboxing some brand new Apple products. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start off by unboxing this new MacBook Pro right here. So let me list the specs. It has 1 terabyte of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM. It is the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the Apple M1 Pro chip. This is the 2021 model, the newest one. And those are all the specs on it. So now we're going to unbox this new MacBook. Here we go. This is also my dad's computer. It is his new work computer because his old one just broke. It is getting fixed at the Apple store right now. This is his new work computer. And I'm going to unbox it for him. So here we go. Without further ado, let's unbox the new MacBook Pro. Oh my god, this is awesome. You guys gotta admit, there's nothing better than delivery day, especially when it's with a new Apple product. It's just the thought of unboxing these new Apple products right here and this nice plastic wrap that comes around it. It is so satisfying. Now, look at this beautiful, pristine box without the wrapping. Let's get into unboxing it. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is so freaking cool. Okay, here we go. MacBook Pro. Let's unbox it. Oh, suspense, suspense, suspense. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at this. OMG. This guy's right here is the 2022 MacBook Pro. Holy. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Hold on, guys. I have a fan on, so that's why everything's glowing. Sorry about that. Hold on. I'm going to throw all my trash over here. Okay. Oh. Shoot, how do I get it out now? I just messed up. Oh god, that was a expensive mistake. Okay, so let's set this aside. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So it has the MagSafe charging port, 2 USB-C ports, and a headphone jack on one part. On the other part here, has, I think it's an SD card reader, an HDMI port, and another USB-C port. Like I said, this is the 16-inch model, so it's the bigger one here. It has this nice big Apple logo. This is the space gray model here too. It also says MacBook Pro on the bottom. I hope you guys can see this. It says MacBook Pro on the bottom here. And look at this. This is the brand new 2022. Oh my god, look at this. MacBook Pro. It just turned on. This is so cool. Hold on, I gotta wipe that off. There's something there. Oh my god. Look at this, Dad. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh my god. And as you can see here, the keyboard lights up. It has the Touch ID. It has all the keys and everything. This is the brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch 2021 or 2022 model. I don't know. This is my dad's new work computer here. This thing looks so cool. Absolutely love the new design and look of it here. I'm so jealous. This looks so flippin' cool. And I absolutely love this new MacBook here. So cool. And now, also, with the new MacBook, it comes with this. I don't think that's how I'm supposed to unbox it, but I'm just gonna rip it. Okay, so now that we got all the trash off here, it has the new MagSafe charging cable here. It has a little MagSafe port that clicks on right here. Let's try and find it onto the MacBook. It has a little MagSafe. So it just clips on like that. It is a little MagSafe port. That's so cool. So this charging cable here for the MacBook. It is a USB-C to MagSafe port that will charge a MacBook. And powering that is, I believe, a 140 watt adapter here. So yes, you have this nice, powerful 140 watt brick that is going to power your new MacBook Pro here, which is also quite cool. Plug it in, you plug the USB-C into here. This is the, like I said, 140 watt brick. Plug the MagSafe into the other side. That's how you power this beast. And also you have your typical paperwork, your Apple stickers, your SIM card tool, and just your typical paperwork that would come with a MacBook Pro here. That also comes with it.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Sorry, the computer just started talking out of nowhere. So this is the little box here. This thing is very cool. So that is, I think, everything that comes with the MacBook Pro. Now we're going to move on to the iPad. Okay, and next up right here, we are going to unbox the iPad Pro. Let me list the specs. This is the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th generation. It is silver with Wi-Fi, no cellular, and it is the 256 gigabyte model. So this is the new iPad Pro here, and this thing is very cool. It is a beastly tablet, just like that MacBook. This right here is going to my mom, but it could be the family tablet. I'm going to hook it up with my mom's account because it is going to be her tablet, but also we are going to share this with the family, so it's kind of a family tablet for now. I might get my own another time with the MacBook, but as of right now, this is going to be a family tablet that we all share. So with that, let's get into unboxing the new iPad Pro. This day is just spectacular. Okay, here we go, iPad Pro. Also, this is my family's first iPad. That MacBook was the second MacBook to the family because my dad had one before this, but no one else has had one. This is also the first iPad for our family. This is the first time anyone in our family has had an iPad, so this is going to be very cool. Suspense, here we go. Oh my god. Whoa, look at this thing! Whoa! Oh my god, this is the coolest thing ever! This thing is so cool right here, guys. This is beautiful. This is the new iPad. Here we go. Look at this. Look at it, admire it, love it. Here we go. iPad Pro, 12.9-inch silver. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it, but I know I have to. Oh, hold on, let me throw that out. Look at this. This is the all-new 12.9-inch iPad Pro here in silver. This thing is absolutely beastly. This thing is insane. Hold on, let me get that off. This thing is so cool. I absolutely love this. Sorry, I just had to wipe something off. This is so cool. Look at this. Let's turn it on here. Also, while that's turning on, it also comes with your typical documents for the iPad. Let me see, 20 watt power brick to charge it, and a USB-C to USB-C cord to charge it as well here. And like I said, just your typical documents with a USB-C port. So let's put that away really quick. Right here, this is very cool. Let me just take this out right here. This thing is so cool. Look at it, mommy. It's beautiful. That up. Okay, so like I said right here, USB-C to USB-C cord with a 20 watt charging brick here. I'm gonna take the wrapping off. Okay, and we will plug this in a minute. As you can see, this iPad is USB-C here with a ton of charging ports. Sorry, I just gotta make sure that it's filming in the right area. USB-C here. This is the silver iPad Pro here, 12.9 inch. This thing is massive, and it is so clean looking and feeling. I love the look and feel of this iPad here. And also, like I said right here, this is massive. Like, whether you hold it landscape or portrait, this thing is absolutely insane right here. And I just love the way it looks and feels. But wait, there's more. We also got a Magic Keyboard here. We got the white Magic Keyboard to go along with the iPad, because first off, we needed a case, and also my mom really likes this keyboard here, so we decided to get it. And we got the keyboard to go along with the iPad. Also, we were in the market for a case that would actually cover both the back and the front of the iPad, so the screen's not going to get scratched up when we're not using it, which is exactly what this keyboard does, except it also basically turns the iPad into a computer here. So we're going to unbox this, and then we will set up the iPad. So here we go. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is absolutely awesome. Look at this. Okay, here we go here. Hold on, let me just move my camera down a little bit. There we go. Okay, here we go. Hold on, let me put the iPad over here a little bit. Oh god, this is heavy. This feels like a lot more than a keyboard, but whoa! My god, do you guys see this? Whoa! Now this right here is the Magic Keyboard case with a 12.9 inch iPad Pro in white. This thing is absolutely insane. This is a beast. This computer is insane. Wait, I don't want to break it. Okay, here we go. So you have your typical documentation that comes with the keyboard case, whatever that is, and this very weirdly designed thing, even though it only goes in here. And that is all that comes with the case here. It is a very nice case. I'm going to put this back in here. Goes in here, here. This is the Magic Keyboard case for the iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. Gonna put it in, find the camera. I think it's right here, okay? And we're going to pop it in just like this. As you can see right here, you can shut it down like this. This is very cool. You can also go ahead and turn it on like this, and it will basically convert. You can kind of adjust it depending on what you're doing, and it can turn into a full-blown keyboard / computer. You can charge it right here. I believe this is USB-C, so you can charge this with just the iPad cord here, which is cool. In this keyboard case, you can take the iPad in and out of it. It's magnetic, and you can basically turn the iPad into a computer or a MacBook with this. Because with this case, it is basically just an iPad, a touchscreen version of a MacBook, because the iPad's touchscreen, but it's just like a computer here. You got your keyboard, your mouse. It's like a touchscreen MacBook here. Folds up, it's magnetic. This is absolutely awesome. I love the way it looks and feels. And this is also pretty cool too, this nice big grip you can charge it with, and you can charge both the iPad and the keyboard with this cord here. And this is the 12.9 inch iPad. This is very cool. This has been a great day and a great unboxing video. So let's get to the outro. Okay everybody, so thank you guys for watching. In today's video, we unboxed a 2021 model 16-inch MacBook Pro, a 12.9 inch iPad Pro, and the white Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. We unboxed a lot of cool things today. This has been an epic video. We did so many cool things. I love all of these devices here so much. I just find them so cool. That I love the way they all look and feel here. So thank you guys for watching. With that, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace!